Micro-milling is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of precision cutting tools to create small, intricate parts and components. This process is typically used in the production of high-precision parts for industries such as aerospace, medical, and electronics. Micro-milling is a highly specialized process that requires advanced equipment and skilled technicians to ensure accuracy and consistency in the final product. The process of micro-milling involves the use of computer-controlled machines that are capable of making extremely precise cuts and movements. These machines use cutting tools that are much smaller than those used in traditional milling processes, allowing for greater precision and accuracy. The cutting tools used in micro-milling are typically made from high-speed steel or carbide, which are able to withstand the high speeds and forces involved in the process. Micro-milling is a critical process in the manufacturing industry, as it allows for the creation of complex parts and components that would be impossible to produce using traditional machining methods. This process is particularly important in industries such as aerospace and medical, where precision and accuracy are of the utmost importance. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of high-precision parts and components for a variety of industries. As a leader in the industry, Berkness Company has extensive experience in micro-milling and other advanced manufacturing processes. The company's team of skilled technicians and engineers are able to provide customized solutions to meet the unique needs of each client. If you are interested in learning more about micro-milling and how it can benefit your business, Berkness Company is here to help. The company's website features a Contact Us page where you can reach out to their team to learn more about their services and capabilities. Whether you are looking for a specific part or component, or need assistance with a custom project, Berkness Company has the expertise and experience to deliver high-quality results. FAQs. 1. What is micro-milling and how does it work in manufacturing? Micro-milling is a precision machining process that involves cutting very small features and details into materials using specialized cutting tools. It is typically used to create complex parts and components with high accuracy and precision. Micro-milling machines use high-speed spindles and advanced software to control the cutting process and achieve tight tolerances. 2. What materials can be micro-milled in manufacturing? Micro-milling can be used to machine a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, ceramics, and composites. Some common materials that are micro-milled in manufacturing include aluminum, titanium, stainless steel, and carbon fiber. The choice of material depends on the specific application and the desired properties of the finished part. 3. What are the advantages of micro-milling in manufacturing? Micro-milling offers several advantages over other machining processes in manufacturing. It allows for the creation of complex geometries and features with high precision and accuracy. It also produces less waste and requires less material than traditional machining methods. Additionally, micro-milling can be used to machine hard and brittle materials that are difficult to machine using other methods. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.